Poultry farming investment in Türkiye. High yield and secure opportunity. Invest in a fully integrated poultry production platform with up to 22% annual returns and a projected 4.5-year payback period. With legal ownership of production units and centralized professional management, your investment operates seamlessly. A 45-day production cycle delivers frequent, predictable income throughout the year. Industrial-scale production platform. Up to 22% target annual ROI. Fully managed and automated system. Contract-based, risk-controlled model. Limited investor units available. Own a real income-generating agricultural asset backed by a professionally managed system. Benefit from stable global food demand and long-term investment security. Limited units available. Contact us today to secure your investment. Invest Agrolidya.